Exercise 1B. Representation of rational number on number line. Represent each of the following number on number line. Question 1. Many questions, 8 parts are here. We have to represent the numbers on number line. Its second part I am doing here. 2 by 7. Draw a number line. Write 0 here in the middle. On the right hand side, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7, put 1. Because denominator of this fraction has 7. So, after 7 equal units, 1 is written. Then after next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, write 2 at equal distances. 1, 2, it is bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, likewise. 6, 7, right here 3 and likewise. In minus side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is minus 1 and likewise. So in order to represent 2 by 7 means 2 out of 7 is here, 1, 2. This is 2 by 7. Try to understand. 2 by 7 is here. Similarly, other numbers can be represented. Its sixth part is, so many things are here. Sixth part to represent 5 by 7. A very big number, so units should be smaller. It is positive, so write 0 here. In this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here minus 1. And I have taken such a number 7 in both cases. If it is 6 in denominator, then after 6 unit 1 will be written likewise, you know that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here 4. Likewise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here is 6. Likewise, and no need to write more, it is number line. This is 0 here. 5 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 out of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is 5 by 7. About this mark where arrow indicates 6 is here. 6. Likewise, this is the way how a number can be represented on the number line. In question 2, negative numbers are there. Question 2, one of this I am doing, written minus 3 by 4. It's very simple. Put 0 here. In this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 3. Likewise, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, 1. Number line here, no need to write more. And here, minus 3 by 4 means 1, 2, 3. So it is minus 3 by 4. Likewise. So question and 1 and 2 are similar. In question 2, negative numbers are given. You have to go left to the 0, and in question 1 right to the 0. Then in question 3, let us rub it. Try to understand it. Question 3 says which of the following statements are true and which are false. Very small exercise. -3 by lies left to the 0 on the number line, it is true. -12 by 7 lies right to the 0, it is false, because minus negative numbers always lie towards left of the 0. The rational number 1 upon 3 and -5 by 2 are on opposite side of 0 on the number line, it is true, because 1 by 3 will go right to the 0, it is positive. -5 by 2 will go towards left of the 0, so they are opposite to the 0 on the number line, it is true. First is true, third is true, second is false. And the rational number -18 by -13 lies left to the 0 on the number line, it is false, because minus minus cuts, it becomes positive, so positive numbers are right, so it is false. So second and fourth are false, first and third are true. First and third, these are true, and second number and fourth number, they are false. Why this is so, I told you. So only few sums are here in this exercise, so this exercise is completed over here. Now so okay.